What a dominant display from Tola, who navigated the steep climbs and tricky downhills of this course with extreme skill and athletic ability. No one was able to keep pace with the 2022 world champion and Rio 2016 10,000-meter bronze medalist, who crosses the line in an Olympic record time of 2:06:26. Incredibly, Tola only entered the marathon 2 weeks ago due to an injury to his teammate Sisay Lemma. Silver goes to Bashir Abdi, who finished third at Tokyo 2020 and at the 2022 World Championships. Bronze is won by Benson Kipruto on his Olympic debut. Who are you rooting for? Write in the comments.